Eh, untung bulan atur ke marah sama ya tuh na sa parang ito bici ito. Siya parang tunga ko na polo. Siya lebih mana jarway.
Sidan dah.
Double mana kana turang ke marah may bici by Brisbane ko. Sa parang ito bici ito nga. Hindi dito ko nikito sila makare man na polo. Kali lebih may jarway. Think about it, but it's professional language.
Okay, back to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of Fiji's latest found. This is Moses Polwol. He plays center for Fiji. So Moji, what do you think about the game today about Tonga?
It's good.
Sorry, his English is very.
Hey, no hugging. This interview.
Oh, let's be up close.
Stop touching his ass.
So Moji, what do you think of the game after Fiji's given a good game against Tonga? What do you think?
Well, the boys came up in numbers today here at the grounds. But good effort by Tonga. And I'd just like to thank everybody back in Fiji. It's Palm Sunday. I know it's very important to the people in Fiji. Nisambula and Nisamole.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was Moji playing center for Fiji. Amazingly, the second interview, it's got a lot of English, you know.
Fiji team, eh?
Sama ujung kan gitu, sama itu sarana sudu.
Iya.
Sudu lili merah.
Woi, mama deh, Min. Mama deh.
Ujung kan gitu. Sama dah hotel, mulai rakabi.